Let's go. You said LGBTQ test on the lower right hand side of the screen? What? What the freak? Wait, what? The dog? Why? Wait, did it already have a hole? Bro, why would you ruin a billiards table like that? Can you refurnish those? How does that work?
My grandma told me to add some detergent to the washer.
You're gonna break it, fool! You know how expensive those things are? Alright, Barney had enough. Well, okay, let's go! We're getting involved too now! Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Marry her. Someone marry her right now. Put a ring on it! Bro, that's how you have to live life, though. Like, I be serious, though. Like, why hasn't this, like, already been implemented into the vehicle? Like, at least in, like, the passenger, like, in the back seats, in the back seat. You know what I mean? There should be a kitchen in the cars, I'm just saying. And when you swerve, the freaking hot cooking oil's gonna go everywhere. Oh, it's gonna be great. Bro was mad. Bro said, my sandwich is not complete without the olive. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You made it worse. You know, someday he'll... Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Bro, that's a real one, though. That's a real one. Bro really said, I see your struggles and I will join you. I won't let my boy stay here alone. Bro, catch it! It's a doduo! Hey, bro, fashion caught you, bro. You got the good fashion sense. You see what I'm saying? Listen, if the police can have a laptop on their car, why can't we have a little table for this? Oh, damn. Okay, well, yeah, I see. That makes sense why. Yeah, I think y'all left the freaking... Did y'all, like, leave the glass in the microwave or something? He was thirsty. You panicked. Why? You had it. He had it. That was just that was malicious. Dude, if it was Fast and Furious, though, it would, Toretto would be totally fine. Not a scratch on him. That was cute.
This whole fucking thing is ranch. Bro, I got 10 boneless wings. You talking about?
Bro, somebody call Calphobia! Okay, that is both genius and the most annoying thing in the universe. Wow. When you still try to play Elden Ring, but Mama said you gotta go outside. Get some fresh air. Go to the beach or something. Bro, calm down. Relax! He's turning purple. Damn!
No.
Ah! That's just romantic, though. That's just romantic. Find you somebody who loves you like that, like these two love each other. Straight out his straight out his mouth. It's mine now! Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am the goal. Oh, damn. I didn't know they had pockets for that. Wrong. Wrong one. Wrong door. I think maybe you should have painted the correct door, or maybe painted the wrong doors, the wrong stuff. Bro really gotta commute all this way for a Coca-Cola? How did it fall apart like that? Close it. Close it. The fires will die out. Stop the oxygen. Of course they don't freaking nail it. Oh, nice. Bro's playing with some Lincoln Logs. Fire quad. Oh no, it's Snow White. Dude, the new Snow White looks good. Okay. The universe really said you don't deserve that soda. Bro, they came out with the table. Okay. That was a little scary, wasn't it? Hit the hash-slinging slasher! Why does that thing look so creepy, actually? Bro, I'm like getting lightheaded. I don't know if it's from sickness or from laughing. Wait, what? Hey, bro. Hey, bro, when they tell you, don't worry, you're not gonna get replaced by AI. Because I hear so many people being like, bro, we're not gonna get replaced by AI, that's stupid. That's just people getting scared. Nah. Bro, if they can replace you with a fake mockery of yourself, an AI, a freaking robot, a hologram, they will. Eventually, even the museum curators are gonna get replaced by, like, just, like, press the button, and then I'll tell you what you need to know with a hologram. You know what I mean?
The fuck is
that? That's what you get for being lazy. That goes way too hard for what it is. What are you trying to accomplish? Alright, well, I kind of figured, eventually.
There's going to be a new movie coming out sometime.
I kind of wish you would just play the freaking thing. I get it. We see the put. We see the. We already saw the punchline. There it is. You did it a little too much. It's kind of like this trend is kind of like when you watch a trailer for a movie and the trailer kind of just shows you everything that happens in the movie. You're kind of like, well, you just kind of ruined the movie for me. I mean, I get it. It's a trend. But it kind of killed the joke. Now, if it killed the joke and, like, wrapped all the way around to somehow becoming funny again, that'd be one thing. But it kind of didn't get me there. Great video, though, altogether. Everything else is cool. I liked it. Great video. Please go check it out. Go drop him a sub. Go drop him a like. Add a comment so the algorithm knows you like his stuff. Thanks for hanging out. Like or dislike, comment, and subscribe, and become a Monodachi today! I live stream all day, Monday through Friday, so go say hi! That's all for now, Monos. Goodbye, and thanks for swinging by. Salut!